Today I'm about to show you how to remove these tail lights off this Q50 2019. I'm gonna do one side. Passing this side the same way as this side. I'm just gonna show you how to do this side because I'm not trying to make this video too long. So let's get it. These are the tools you're going to need. This, yeah, that. I got different flatheads over here, different sized. 10 mil, and you might need an 8 mil too for the trunk. Alright, so let's get this started, man. Alright, first, let's take this off to get to the 10 mil bolt. So let's pop this off. Be careful. Okay, so yeah, so pop this off. Put that somewhere. Do not lose it. Now, 10 mil bolt here. Two of them. Now, let's move these clips right here. 1, 2, and this whole thing right here. We're just gonna back this out so we have some room. So you could take this mat out, this whole mat out, if you want. I am not. I'm just gonna bend it far as I can so I have some room. Stick these off. Stick these off. All these off. To take this off, you gotta pull on this. Don't break it. You're just pulling it lightly. It's gonna pop out. That. Okay. Now it's back like that. It's like that. I have some room, so I want to take this, bend this back, so I have some room to get in there to the connector. So let's move this over. It's the connector right here. So I'm gonna just take this right here, squeeze, pull. Okay, now pull on this side so it pops out like that. Get loose. Now let's get this. Keep pulling this thing. Should pop it out. Okay, just like that. Popped out. Take this grommet off. There you go. Take this out. Just like that. Bam. Yeah. Now, let's take off this one on the trunk. This thing has to come out. This whole thing has to come out. So, you gotta take these off. All of these that you see here. This off, this off, this. Take them all off. Okay, so use your flathead, pop this up, and pull it out. Do that for the rest. For these, you just pop it out, go down here, and just pop. Make sure you catch it. Just pull it out. Put it somewhere. Now you gotta take this cup out, put your flathead in there, and just go down. Like that. There you go. Your cup. And this, just go behind it, pop it up. Like that. Pop it up. Pull on it, put it through here, and drop this thing down. Now, take off these 10s. It's right here, one here. It's like 2 in here. 1 and 2. Take that off. Let's remove this connector. Squeeze down. Pull. Let's take those bolts out. As soon as you remove those, it should pop right out like this. Just wiggle it out. So it should pop right out. Bam. There it is. this back, same way you took it out. Put this in. Put the grommet. That. Make sure it's shut. No gaps. Okay, just like that. Okay, now line up the holes. Push this in. Tap it in. Don't break it. All right, you see that? Should clip in. Now let's put the 10mm bolt. Okay, so we put those on. Let's put the cover on. This cover. Just going in easy. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Make sure you plug this back over here so your light works. Now let's put the tail light for the trunk. Just drop it in there. Just like that. Now let's put the 10 bolts. One there, one there, one there, one right there. Okay, remember, these bolts go out in the outside. These go on the inside. Now let's connect this. Let's put the cover on. Okay, make sure you put this in first. And put this back. Just line up the holes. And just push down. Just like that. Now let's put the rest of the clips back on. Okay. Put all them on. This. Don't forget your cup one. Put that in there. All the clips. Okay. Now let's put this back together. Let's line this up. Now let's put this back. Let's go like that and just push down like that. Okay, now let's put these back on there. Okay, make sure everything's on good. Okay, that is all. Okay, make sure when you're done, you check your brake light, signals, reverse light, see if everything works. You connected everything. That is it. If I helped you out, give me a thumbs up.